Welcome back to PS Marvelous Spoken English. Today, for a change, I am uploading about my terrace garden. And before that, kindly subscribe my channel and like and share. And so far, I have uploaded lot of videos for grammar, especially it will be useful for spoken English. If you follow, it will be very easy and you can find a tremendous change in your English. I need your support to continue my journey, and so kindly subscribe. In terrace gardening, we grow plants in different types of pots, containers, and trays. In this hectic concrete living style, setting up a garden is really a dream. Many modern methods make terrace gardening easy. To people whoever don't have sufficient area, they can form terrace gardening. Cities are crowded with buildings nowadays. Going to park every day is not an easy joke. It may be tough in our hectic life. But our terrace garden gives us an amazing experience with full greenery and beautiful flowers. It gives us fresh air. We can get organic vegetables. In our terrace, we can get air, sun, and water so that we can grow the plants easily. It is not very expensive. We can spend our time to refresh our mind and body. It is easy to maintain. We can grow all types of vegetables. We just need leisure time. Taking care of the plants is a good exercise physically and mentally. It reduces our stress. When you have tea early morning during the sunrise, we will feel a wonderful experience. We can feel blessed. Moreover, I use only terrace flowers for my puja room. I never buy flowers from outside. The key basic is our dedication. Plants need proper care. So we should spend 1 hour at least a day. I am using all the paint boxes as pots. Very simple. It is easy. Good soil and vermicompost are enough. Early morning, when I see the blossoming colorful flowers along with the chirping of birds, whatever stress you are having, everything will be released. You talk with the plants, they will talk with you. Watch them with love, they will nod and accept our love. Start to love nature. Nature will give us return gift.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, I don't wanna jinx it, baby.